Hello everybody. Today we're going to be just doing something real quick and real simple. We're just going to make an old school, back in the day, tomato and mayonnaise sandwich. So all we're going to use is bread, black pepper, salt, well, mayonnaise, but I use the vegan-naise, and a tomato, and that's it. So basically what we're going to do is just slice up this tomato. I already washed it and cored it and got the core part out of it. You can slice these as thick as you like them. And you can slice as much as you like. My mom used to make these all the time. Grew up on them, love them. So now, just gonna sprinkle with some salt. Don't never use as much salt as I use. I eat a lot of salt. That's why I don't ever give measurements for ingredients, because I overindulge in salt. So that's basically what we got right there. I'm using wheat bread, but of course you can use whatever kind of bread you like. I use a lot of mayonnaise too. I see a lot of other videos where they add a lot of extra stuff like avocados and onions and different things like that. But I know originally, we didn't have all that to add. It was just tomatoes, mayonnaise, and bread, salt and pepper. At least in my household. And yes, this is a lot of mayonnaise. Okay, then you just arrange them on the sandwich. However you want them. And you just top it off with your bread. And basically there you have it. Your original tomato sandwich.